Hello again. This is Sean Roberts, one of the co-directors for the Passage Middle School Symphony Orchestra. This is the second tutorial in our tutorial series for our fall fundraiser through Innisbrook. If you have not yet viewed the first tutorial and you have not set up your student account, you will want to go view that tutorial first, then come back and do this tutorial. Right now, we're going to assume that you've completed the student registration, and we're going to go ahead and place our first order. So parents, when you are ready to place that first order, you're going to go to innisbrook.com/catalog order again, just like you did when you set up the student account. Now, when it comes up, you're going to enter that school number again, but since we did that last time, I thought this time we would go ahead and just click to search by name. So, when you do that, you come into here and you select our state, which is Virginia. Select the city, which will be Newport News. And then you will select school, and it's actually going to say Passage Middle School Symphony Orchestra. And as you can see down on the bottom, you just click select like you did the first time when you entered the number. Now, you've already signed up for a student account, so you've already taken care of the registration process. So the next thing you need to do is you need to log in. So you go come in here and click on login, and it will take you to the login screen. You've already created your account, so you don't need to click on create an account. Rather, you're going to enter your email address and your password. For our sake, I've already entered it before and my computer remembers it. So if it asks you to remember, that's up to you whether or not you're going to allow your computer to remember it. I do because I'm the only one that uses my computer. So I'm going to click login. And now I'm logged in. You can see my name up here in the upper right hand corner. Now, what you have available here is all of the products from their catalog. This is a good way to get your customers to order if they just happen to be coming by your house, or maybe you know them from a local organization or maybe church and they're coming over, or you have your iPad with you and you're connected to the internet and you want to get them to go ahead and check out through our site versus filling out the order form in the paper catalog. However, we're going to assume that the easiest way to do this is to bring that paper catalog around and get people to fill out the order form inside. So we're going to go ahead and make that assumption. So you'll have the order form filled out already, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Catalog Quick Order. Once you click that, it's going to bring up an order search. So I just so happen to know that my lovely wife, Mrs. Roberts, wants to order some wrapping paper. So I'm going to go ahead and click in that item code, which is on the order form, and where it says item number. And for this case, it's item number 309. And as you can see, when you type it in, down bottom, it's actually pulled up for you. So you click on that, and it's going to fill in the quantity and the price each. So I know that Mrs. Roberts is going to probably want more than one roll, but for our sake, we'll leave it at one. But you can change that to whatever quantity the customer ordered. When you're done adding stuff, you just click on Add to Cart. And now it's in your shopping cart. Now, you can go in and add other stuff now, or you can go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now, this is where I caution you because this site is only for orders that are going to be paid for with a check or with cash. If your customer is going to want to use a credit card, then you're going to want to send them to the Friends site, and that will be the third tutorial that I show you, so that'll be in the next video. So make sure that you understand that they cannot use a credit card for this checkout. They have to pay with check or cash. If they're going to use a credit card, then they want to go through the other site. So once we're done, we're going to assume the person is going to pay with check or cash here. You click Proceed to Checkout. And now you can see it says Order Complete. Now, warning. It says Make checks payable to Passage MS Symphony Orchestra. That is something that Innisbrook did. Go ahead and pretend like Symphony Orc is not there. It's just Passage Middle School will be fine. If you put Symphony Orchestra, it won't be the end of the world so long as Passage Middle School is on there as well. So that is the details for how to enter an order from the order form. And again, just a reminder, if they're going to pay with a credit card, they cannot use this process. You're going to have to send them through the other process, which I will show you in the next tutorial. One final thing, as you can see on the screen, it says that the due date is the 21st of November. That's a Friday, and that's not correct. I actually won't be at school that day. All orders are due on Wednesday, November 19th. Once again, all orders are due on Wednesday, November 19th.